Discover ActiveCollab, a productivity and collaboration workspace built to help you thrive. Welcome to Projects, home to your workflows, communications, and all project information. Here you have all you need to create and manage your projects. You'll find your tasks under Tasks. Visualize them in a list column known as Kanban or Timeline View, which is also called a Gantt chart view. Organize your work into task lists, use labels for more context, add assignees to clarify ownership and responsibility, and important dates for better capacity and workload management. Break down tasks into subtasks and dependencies. Add time estimates and use the stopwatch to better manage your time, priorities, and workload in general. Set reminders to make sure you stay on schedule. Whenever you want to share quick updates, brainstorm, or keep meeting minutes, comments, discussions, and notes are perfect for that. Exchange files with your team and make sure you're all on the same page for true collaboration and transparency. Monitor project progress throughout its lifecycle in the Project Progress menu, which displays the most important information updated in real time. Keep an eye on your budget and expenses to ensure project profitability. ActiveCollab does the math for you, so you always know whether you need to make organizational changes and stay within project scope, time, and budget. Dive in to start building your workflows. Master your time using ActiveCollab time tracking. You and your team can track all your billable and non-billable work from anywhere in your workspace, or start the stopwatch directly in a task. Time tracking helps you stay focused and see how long it takes to get the job done. Compare tracked against estimated time to plan effectively for the future. Everyone on your team has personal timesheets with a clear overview of their time entries. Analyze how you spend your time to improve productivity and prioritize better. Organize your schedule to meet project deadlines and avoid bottlenecks. Time records are also available on a project level, with all the billable and non-billable hours logged by your team. This part is crucial for accurate billing and pricing. Don't worry if someone forgets to add time records. You can edit and add time retrospectively and even track time across devices. People with an Owner or Member Plus role can also access and manage team timesheets. Team timesheets include everyone's time records, capacities, and availability. Project managers and team leads can use them to track overtime and late timesheets, manage payroll, and bill clients accurately. Team timesheets help you improve accountability and transparency, assess and boost productivity, to ultimately find ways to better manage your time and workload. Meet project requirements by effectively planning capacity and allocating resources. In Workload, you can view everyone's daily and weekly capacity, calendar events, and days off. Individual capacity is calculated automatically using tracked hours and time estimates. This lets you assign tasks fairly while ensuring the right people are available for specific projects. Using drag and drop, you can easily redistribute work if someone's got too much or too little on their plate. This helps you prevent burnout, stay productive, and make the most of your time. You'll also know if someone's out sick or away for an event so that you can reschedule or reassign their tasks. That's crucial to keep projects on track and avoid roadblocks. Any changes you make to tasks will be instantly reflected in Workload, so you always get the most precise picture of your team's availability, capacity, and responsibilities. Go up to a year in advance to plan future projects for you and your clients. Set realistic deadlines for better prioritization and less stress. See if your team's got the necessary skills or if you need to hire more people to meet your clients' needs. Explore Workload to see how it can help you boost your team's productivity and create a healthier work environment. By bringing your teams and clients over to your ActiveCollab workspace, you can say goodbye to silos, back-and-forth emails, and misunderstanding. With different roles, you can build teams, name project leaders, and even invite clients and external collaborators to your workspace. Protect sensitive information using permissions and ensure just the right level of transparency. Monitor project progress and individual performance so you can optimize your workflows and prevent bottlenecks. Get insights into your team's efficiency using individual timesheets so you can improve processes, ensure accurate billing, and pay your people. Refer to your team members' daily and weekly capacities, job types, and rates to plan projects and distribute workload more effectively. Reassign tasks when someone's away and keep your projects running. If you're looking to grow your team, try virtual users. They function like people placeholders and can help you plan capacity, assess overhead costs, and prepare for onboarding. Have everything set up for your new team member before inviting them to ActiveCollab. By inviting clients to your ActiveCollab workspace, you'll be able to better communicate and collaborate with them. Invite them for free or give them extra permissions so they can take part in projects more actively. Every client has a dedicated page where you can see all their projects, contacts, as well as estimates and invoices. Invoices tell you about your client's dues, upcoming payments, and overall payment behavior. One estimates help you prepare for the project, plan capacity, and more. Use this to better manage your client relationships and refine your pricing strategy. Make ActiveCollab your central hub for your people and clients to improve your workflows, productivity, and client satisfaction. Estimates are a quick and easy way to create quotes and later convert them to projects and invoices. Provide your potential clients with a detailed breakdown of costs to prevent misunderstanding and pricing disputes. Add notes if you want to offer additional services or explain your payment terms in more detail. Keep track of your client quotes at every stage with draft, sent, lost, and won estimates. Turn approved estimates into projects with a set budget in a click and start creating value for your clients right away. Estimates can help you organize sales information, track opportunities, and keep the cash flow steady. They can also tell you a lot about your pricing strategy and ways to boost profit. Convert estimates to invoices to get paid, whether in advance or upon project completion. Turn your estimates or hours into invoices and simplify your billing process. Whichever type of invoices you want to create, you can do it hassle-free in ActiveCollab. We'll pull data from your workspace to eliminate errors and speed up the workflow. Customize your invoices as you like. Group items, change tax rates, or leave a note before sending the invoice to your client. In the unlucky event that a client pays late, we can send them an automatic reminder to spare you the discomfort of doing it directly. By keeping all your invoices in one place, you'll be able to understand the financial side of your business, most demanded services, high-value clients, your payment policy, and more. This helps you ensure profitability and retainers. Speaking of, we also have recurring invoices for such tasks and projects. And if you work with European businesses, you'll love the ability to issue EU-compliant e-invoices in ActiveCollab. Lastly, get paid by adding a payment link to your invoices. We can help you process payments via integrations, which is another way ActiveCollab supports your business. Schedule and manage events in ActiveCollab Calendar. Create new or import external calendars, and share them with your coworkers for better communication and coordination. Use filters and different views to customize your calendar and get a clear overview of all your events on a monthly, weekly, or a daily basis. ActiveCollab Calendar is more than a calendar. In addition to team meetings, client check-ins, webinars, and other events, you can also see which tasks are due and who's unavailable on a certain day. When you create events, you can even add them to participants' workload to know how much time they have available outside meetings. With this, you can distribute tasks and plan capacity more accurately while preventing burnout and missed deadlines at the same time. Similarly, by managing your events in ActiveCollab, you'll have a place for discussions and arrangements, making sure everyone's included and up to date. The result? Better time management, better collaboration, and outputs. Track progress and get insights into your business with real-time data. Assess and analyze your project data, including tasks, time, budgets, and team performance via interactive dashboards. With visual representations of trends and other key metrics, you'll identify changes, opportunities, and risks that will help you make informed decisions. Build custom reports with more details for further analysis. Get the answers you need, whether it's about your finances, track time, team productivity, top clients, or something else. Using reports will help you improve your workflows, boost efficiency, and optimize your pricing strategy so you can stay on track and scale.